Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Jobs World channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 3rd May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following has launched Kisan Sabha app that will connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system? So this is done by CSIR. So what is the full form of CSIR? CSIR stands for Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. It was established on 26 September 1942. Its Director General is Shekhar C. Mande and its headquarters present in New Delhi. Question number 2. Which of the following trains will be run by Ministry of Railway to move migrant workers, pilgrims, tourists, students and other persons stranded at different places due to lockdown? So the trains names are Shramik Special. So these trains will be run from point to point on the request from both concerned states. Question number 3. Who has assumed charge as Secretary in Ministry of Women and Child Development recently? So name is Ajay Tikre. So Ajay Tikre is the Secretary in Ministry of Women and Child Development recently. So Tarun Bajaj has also got recently Secretary in Economic Affairs. And Giridhar Armane got Secretary in Ministry of Road and Transport. And Arvind Kumar Sharma got Secretary in MSME, that is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSMEs. So these are recent appointments. Question number 4. Which country has the Food and Drug Regulator body FDA allowed emergency use of the antiviral drug Remdesivir for treatment of severely ill COVID-19 patient? So this is done by United States of America. And United States of America recently support Australia for an international investigation for the origin of coronavirus. Some GK related to USA. USA capital is Washington DC. Donald Trump is its president and its currency is dollar. Question number 5. Which state has launched an online application system for workers desiring to leave or return to the state? So this is done by Karnataka state. Some GK related to Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. B.S. Yedurappa is its CM and Bajpai Bhala is its governor. Question number 6. Chakhao, popularly known as black rice, has got GI registration. It is cultivated in which of the following states in centuries? So it is from Manipur. So recently a doctor from Manipur was awarded Order of Rising Sun by Japan government. Some GK related to Manipur. Manipur capital is Imphal. N. Biren Singh is its CM and governor is Najma Heptullah. Question number 7. Which state has announced that it will be provided free health treatment under the Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jan Arogya Yojana? So this is done by Maharashtra government. Some GK related to Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Uddhav Thackeray is its CM and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is its governor. And recently ADB has given loan of $346 million for the improvement of rural power structure in Maharashtra. Question number 8. In the order to enhance the immunity of the people in the wake of corona pandemic, which state has launched Madhu Yasidi Kashai, that is Kadha. It is launched by Himachal Pradesh government. Question number 9. CAIT, that is Confederation of All India Traders, announced to launch a national e-commerce marketplace, that is name is Bharat Market, soon for all retail traders in collaboration with several technology partners. Question number 10. Dennis Goldberg passed away recently. He was related to which field? So he was a activist of South Africa. Question number 11. When is the World Tuna Day observed every year? So it is observed on 2nd May. Question number 12. Scientist at which of the following institute has developed a generalized one-dimensional fluid simulation code? So this is done by Indian Institute of Geomagnetism. Question number 13. The National Gallery of Modern Art paid tribute to celebrated painter and artist Raja Verma on his 172 birth anniversary through a virtual tour. So it is written wrong. So it is virtual tour. So this is announced at New Delhi. Question number 14. Which of the following has launched a program on health and risk communication and named it Year of Awareness on Science and Health, that is YASH, with focus on COVID-19? So this is done at National Council for Science and Technology Communication. It was established on 1982. Question 15. Who has become the first Indian to be nominated for the Fed Cup Heart Award from the Asia or Oceanic Zone along with Indonesia, Prisa Madlini? So her name is Sania Mirza. Question number 16. Who has been elected for fellowship of prestigious Royal Society in the UK? So his name is Ralph Speth. So he is the CEO of Tata Motors owned Jaguar Land Rover. Question number 17. The Competition Commission of India has approved the proposed combination between which of the following? So it is between BP Global Investment Limited and Reliance BP Mobility Limited. So the CAI was established. Question number 18. Competition Commission of India has approved the proposed acquisition of how much percentage shares and control of Tech Data Corporation by Tiger Midco LLC? So it is 100%. So CCI stands for Competition Commission of India. Its headquarters present in New Delhi. It was established on 14 October 2003 and its chairman is Ashok Gupta. Question number 19. Who has been chosen for the Nikkei Asia Prizes 2020 in Science and Technology category for his work in nanotechnology based water purification? So his name is T. Pradeep. So he was a professor from IIT Madras. His technology helped to deliver clean water at a cost of just 2 paisa per liter in India. So this is the current affairs of 3rd May 2020. The answer of yesterday's question is National Women's Day celebrated on 13 February on the birth anniversary of Sarojini Naidu. So the question of today is, when is United Nations Day celebrated each year? So write down the answer in the comment box. I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for your time. Stay safe at home. Be happy.